of Glory competition. Don't text or email now because it won't count. Last week's winner was Martin Webb of Rotherham, Fran. Martin says Southampton will get 6, so you've got to beat that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, confidence. You've got a minute to get as many as you can. Football through the whole thing up there, and then our guests have a go, and I'll sucker at Joanne. He's modelling the t-shirt. That's well modelled, Joanne. That is well modelled. We might not send this one to you. It might be a bit stretched, but you know there are others. Right, are you ready? You get yourselves up there. Your footballs, get on the spot for a minute. I need some ball boys. Mr. Bobe, would you ball boy over there for me? You come with me. You two stay there. Safe hands. We'll be watching you, won't we? Have I got my whistle? Mind this. £100,000 worth of trophy. Mind that. Right. And obviously the people who brought it. Right then, got a minute on the clock. Gentlemen, start your engines. Your counting. Stop. I think it was coming. John, come here. Officially, how many did they get? 4? Yeah, I think it was, wasn't it? 4. Yay, they got 4! Wolves fans got 4.